Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video we're gonna show you how to replace this electronic support or actuator on a vehicle. This is pretty common setup for the newer vehicles these days. This is on a Buick, and the same would be on most GM vehicles, but also on Japanese and also European vehicles these days you have the same setup. And to replace this is very simple and straightforward. One thing though to keep in mind is that it's very important to not connect this without connecting this here and here, because if you do go ahead and connect the electrical connector and then you don't have this secure here and there, what you might do is you might activate the button to open the trunk lid or the lift gate, and what that will do is it will basically ruin this whole actuator inside and you won't be able to use it anymore. So make sure that you connect there, here, connect, and then connect the electrical connector last. The way that you take this off is very simple actually. You can see right here you'll have a metal clip that you just pop that up a little bit when you take off the old one. So you pop that up and then you just pull this off. The same thing you'll do over here. You can just pop that up a little bit. And then when you come with the new one, all you have to do is just take it and press it in. You don't have to have that out. And then you'll come here. And if you do have that pushed out, you can just press that back in once the connection goes into the ball joint there. And that's it as far as mounting it here. The next step is that you need to run the wire through the hole here. You can see you have this rubber piece here. This just comes out. We're going to push that wire through. Okay. And then you just push this thing in place. It has an arrow in this case that shows up. Yours might not. When you take the old one out, pay attention to that, because you don't want to route the wire the long way and it's just too much tension on it as you open and close it, and eventually you just the wires get damaged there. But you can see here though, on the connection is here. I'm going to show you over here on this side just for demonstration. These pieces on most cars, you just pop these out. You can see these clips right here, and then right up here you can have the connection. One thing to keep in mind though is that these connections you'll have to press and pull. Some models that have a red clip that needs to be slid away, and then you can press and pull. So look for a red clip. If you don't have that, you should just be able to press and pull. But if you have the red piece, you'll have to slide that out a little bit, and then you can press this right here and then pull the connector. But that's it. It's very simple, straightforward. Takes about 30 minutes. Thank you for watching. Bye.